Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Zynga Poker. So here you can see I am on the official website. So once you go to this website, here you can see various options. So what you have to do next is on the bottom right hand side corner you can see you have various options. What you have to do is click on this friends icon, and here you can see it is mentioned as buddies. So here we don't have any friends. So what you can do is you can just go to referrals, and then you can just click on the share option which is given over here. So once you share, you will get some rewards if your friend joins this website with the referral link as well. So here what you can do is you can enter your invite code over here. So here if you click share, you'll get the invitation code, and then once you share, your friend will be added to this website and then they will be your friend. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to add more friends in Zynga Poker. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.